Hey guys, I know my hair is so bad, but yeah, I'm gonna be playing a game where you press the button.com. So you get a sweat condo on the top floor. The wonderful, you get a sweet condo on the top floor with a wonderful view in the city of your dream. But some dude always sneezes on the back of your neck when you're in the elevator. I will not. Nope. I guess I'll have another one like that. So if good, that means you want another one like that. If you say bad, that means it'll be completely different. You're able to change genders at will, but you also change genders whenever you see one of your friends and family. So then that'll be a lot, so I will not. I want to just do something else. I don't know. I think that's how it works anyway. You'll become best friends with any famous YouTuber, but cannot watch any other YouTube famous people. And you can best friends with a YouTuber that have a whole bunch of them. I don't know. I will not. You can learn a little bit about me, about my opinions. Like a lot of people. I guess that was a good one. I like it. Ow, my hair out of a ponytail. Live forever and get whatever you want, but all your friends become retarded. Ooh, pretty one. Birthday card 46. So let's do another one like this. You've flown in 7 languages, but you'll never be able to speak a country's native tongue. Okay, I can become fluent on my own. I get a lot of people. Surprising. Usually don't. Ad covers this page. Get out of. Okay, got it. Whatever. Next time I do that. And then you'll be a Tumblr fan. You can never scroll on your dashboard. I don't even get this one. There should probably a button that's like, I don't know, or I don't get it. So, www. Well, you press the button. You earn Enrolled Hunger Wars and the human race will last for another 10 years. Then what's the point of ending if the whole human race will last 10 years? And a lot more than 10 years. I don't do this, so I will not. Okay. 48. I'm gonna do. I don't like those. 1,000 every day. $66. You find $1, but you still do. Yeah, I will do it.
I'm gonna play Call of Duty Extinction without you then. Let's do. Wait.
Like, I always do. Anyway. Just do it again. I'd rather have. If I do it again, I'd rather just get $1 down, not getting $0. Always get 90% luck at doing anything, but 10% luck to tie. Okay. Because I'll be dying. Like a big chance anyway you'll die alone, and then more big chance you'll die alone, and this just slows the chance, so yeah. Let's get button. Okay. Get super sick, but also get No, I'd rather have better hearing and sight. Regular eyesight and better hearing. Better eyesight and another thing, extra bad hearing. So, the chances that you'd still keep regular hearing. I just didn't even. But yeah. But if I had to pick, if I'd rather get better eyesight or better hearing, I'd pick better hearing. Gonna do 3 more. Then I'm gonna be done. I mean, you're not gonna have time to do that anymore. Okay. We just completely. No, I'm just gonna end the video by the time I get everything done. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to do it for yourself, just go to www or you press the button. Bye.